Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll show you how I made this scrap clay veneer. I have some white clay that I'm going to roll out until it is long and thin. And then I'll place this on some rolled out black clay. I'll cut off the ends so that they are the same length. And then I will just roll up the black clay around the white. And then I'll chop that in half. And then now time for the scrap clay. I have made 2 separate piles. And you can choose whatever colors you'd like. And then I'll just chop up each pile separately. And then I'll join the pieces back together. And then I'll just roll it out until it's long and thin. Place 1/2 of each of the rolled out clay onto this scrap clay. And then cut it down to size. And then just wrap each one in its color. If you like the earrings I make, I do have an Etsy shop if you want to check that out, where I list all of my pieces. I am in the process of uploading them currently, so maybe not all of them will be on there yet, but if you want to check it out, just hit that link in the description below. I've rolled out some black and gold clay until it is fairly thin, and then I will wrap each half in one of these colors. And then I'll just cut off all the messy ends. And then I'll start pinching the sides until it is in a teardrop shape. And I do want the edges to be nice and crisp. Thank you everybody who is tuned in today to watch my video. I appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. It would really help out my channel. I do post videos every Tuesday, and sometimes I do upload videos on Thursdays as a little bonus content. Now that I've rolled out each one into a teardrop shape, I'm going to make sure I have all my messy ends chopped off, and then I'll start slicing them into even length pieces. And then I'll start making my first row, and I'll just flip-flop each one so that one points up and one points down. And then I'll start building my second and third and fourth row. Now that I've joined all my pieces together, I'm going to put it on a piece of paper and fold it over, and then I can lightly burnish with my fingers and with a rolling pin until I have all the pieces connected and joined, and it is one smooth veneer. And this is it! I have made a ton of pieces from this, and I will list those on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in that, there is a link below, and you can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!